Hi friends! So it's time to practice drawing, and I thought that since we are learning about Pete the cat, that it would be fun to draw a cat today. So the first thing we're going to do Pete the cat is we are going to make a circle. A circle has no sides. A circle has no sides. Up and around, all the way around, a circle has no sides. Okay, now we're going to give him some little ears. So I think we need to make triangles for ears. And a triangle has 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides, up and around and over. And, we could give him the inside of his ears too. Okay, so there's our Pete the cat face. Well, there's his head and his ears. Let's give him eyes, circle, and another eye. Okay, so another circle right there. All right, now he's got a little triangle nose, and I'm gonna give him some whiskers, because cats have whiskers, and then he's got a little mouth and a tongue. There we go. There's our Pete the cat face. So I hope you guys are drawing Pete with me. Needs a circle, triangles for the ears, circle eyes, a triangle nose, and his mouth. All right, now we can do his body different ways. Why don't I give him some, let's see. I'm gonna make him sitting, okay? And it is, okay? Then I'm gonna give him some little feet, come down, feet that come down, his toes, okay? You know what? And it is okay if you want to try his body like I did, or you can just make his head. Either way is just fine. And then I'm going to give him a tail coming up from the back. And this is Pete. Pete the cat. P-E-T-E. Pete. Pete. Whoops. My Pete the cat picture fell. So there's my picture of Pete the cat. All right. Hope you're having a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.